How to clear cache on SafePal. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on SafePal application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open the SafePal application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here you will land on this home page. Here you will be able to locate your profile name at the very top. Simply tap on your profile name and here you'll be able to see your wallet. At the right side of it, you'll be able to locate the three dots icon. Simply tap on the three dots icon and this will take you to your wallet details page. In this page, here you'll be able to see clear cache option. Simply tap on the clear cache and a pop-up will appear. Here it says, once you confirm it, it will clear all the temporary data of the wallet generated from app usage. Also doing this will not affect usage. Simply tap on the confirm button in order to proceed and clear the cache. Once after doing that, you have successfully cleared all the cache. Clearing cache helps to improve app performance and resolve issues related to slow loading times. So by following the steps, you should be able to clear cache on SafePal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.